Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specialized in the commercial diesel parts, and our products include the injector, the valve assembly, the pumps, repair kit, the sensor, the CV valve, etc. And today we're going to introduce you one of our control valve. Now let's see it together. Firstly, you can see the outside packages. It is kind of blue VCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the product SKU. For this one, the product code is F00VC01328. And here, Caitlin wants to mention that for this kind of logo, the labeled packages, etc., we can support customized service. And now, please, let's open it to see the inside. Wow, take a look. And for the inside, as you can see, this kind of transparent bottles. It's very hard, can be better protect the product during the transportation, and you can roll it in this way. That's the oil paper to wrap it up. Okay. And that's the valve assembly. Actually, we're not only selling the whole side, we also sell the separate parts, like this kind of valve cap and the valve rod. And if you look carefully, you will find here, there with the coating figures on the valve cap. For our valve assembly, we had the quality guaranteed 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not set with the quality, we can return or exchange it. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I'd like to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is when you install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the inject body. So much for the valve assembly introduction. Actually, we also have the other products. So any other product, if you're interested in, please feel free to contact us. We have the YouTube or the Facebook and the WhatsApp and our own email and the website. Okay, just one way, feel free to contact us. So much for today. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.